Have you ever wondered how the ancient civilizations built structures that have stood the test of time? Let's embark on a journey through the corridors of history, where mysteries unravel and stories come alive. Our fascination with ancient temples and civilizations is not merely due to their age-old existence, but the profound mystery they hold within. Consider the ancient Cambodian temples, a testament to the sublime skill and profound knowledge of a civilization far removed from our time. These architectural marvels, steeped in mystery, silently echo tales of an era long past. They stand as a testament to the advanced engineering skills of ancient civilizations, their intricate designs and structural integrity belying the rudimentary tools supposedly used in their construction. These temples, shrouded in the mists of time, invite us to explore, to question, and to marvel at the ingenuity of our ancestors. One such testament to the architectural brilliance of the ancients is the temple complexes of Cambodia. But before we continue, please like, share, and subscribe. This will really inspire me to create more of these videos for your entertainment, awareness, and knowledge. Imagine a time when Cambodia was the heart of the powerful Khmer Empire. This flourishing civilization emerged in Southeast Asia around the 9th century, reaching its zenith between the 11th and 13th centuries, a period marked by prosperity, cultural development, and significant advancements in the field of architecture. The Khmer Empire, at its height, extended across what is now Cambodia, Thailand, Laos, and southern Vietnam. Its influence permeated the region, shaping the cultural and political landscape. The empire's rulers, ambitious and visionary, sought to express their power and divine mandate through monumental architectural projects. Intricate stone temples, vast irrigation systems, and sprawling cities emerged from their endeavors. Each structure, a testament to the empire's technological prowess and aesthetic sensibilities, was meticulously planned and executed. The temples, in particular, showcase the Khmer's exceptional skill in stone carving and their profound understanding of astronomy and sacred geometry. The Khmer Empire left us a treasure trove of architectural wonders, the most famous of which is the Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world, stands as a symbol of the Khmer Empire's devotion and grandeur. This colossal stone monument, erected in the 12th century, is an architectural marvel. Its construction was an enormous endeavor, requiring colossal amounts of manpower and resources. The design of Angkor Wat is a testament to the Khmer's advanced understanding of geometry and spatial organization. The temple is surrounded by a vast moat symbolizing the cosmic ocean. Inside, concentric galleries lead to the central sanctuary, representing the mythical Mount Meru. The intricate bas-reliefs adorning the walls depict Hindu epics, celestial beings, and scenes of everyday life, serving both religious and educational purposes. Every stone, every carving in Angkor Wat is a testament to the Khmer Empire's devotion to their deities and their king. This temple complex, however, is not the only testament to their faith. But Angkor Wat is not the only temple complex that dots the Cambodian landscape. Beyond Angkor Wat, there lies a multitude of other temples, each with its unique story. Among them, the Bayon temple stands majestically, known for its distinctive face sculptures. Carved into each of the 54 towers, these serene faces silently watch over the surrounding jungle, a testament to the grandeur of the Khmer Empire. Not far from Bayon, the Ta Prohm temple offers a surreal spectacle. Unlike other temples, Ta Prohm has been left largely as it was found, entwined with the roots of towering trees, a poignant symbol of nature reclaiming the works of man. Further afield, Banteay Srey captivates with its pink sandstone walls and intricate carvings. Often referred to as the jewel of Khmer art, this temple showcases the finesse of ancient craftsmanship and the spiritual devotion of its builders. These temples are not just stone structures, they are portals to a time long past. The ancient temples of Cambodia are more than just relics of the past. They stand as silent testimony to the grandeur of the Khmer Empire, revealing its rich historical, cultural, and religious tapestry. Each intricately carved stone, each sprawling complex, offers a glimpse into a civilization that once thrived in these lands. These temples are not just monuments, they are pages from a forgotten chapter, waiting to be read, understood, and appreciated. They provide a unique insight into the sophisticated society that built them, their beliefs, their artistic expression, their architectural prowess. Today, dedicated teams of historians, archaeologists and conservationists work tirelessly to preserve and restore these architectural marvels. Their efforts ensure that these ancient legacies continue to inspire awe and admiration, transcending the barriers of time. As we marvel at these architectural wonders, we pay homage to the ingenuity and spirit of the ancient civilizations that built them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And as always, leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments section. See you in our next videos. However, I am not a historian or an expert in history, but information below is what I have found with my own research as a history buff.